It's rainy today. Everything is all green and rainy. And pretty, except for that tree. It's pretty too, but it doesn't have any leaves. I'm wearing my monster shoes. There's a birdie. I like this bush, it's so pretty. It has all these pretty white flowers on it. I don't know what they're called, but it's pretty. And they're brown right now. And I don't know why they're brown. And my sidewalk. And that's the garden. And I better go this way instead. Oh no, I found I should go in here this way. And then I'll come back around. Oh, I don't know. Here are neighbors yelling at each other. And there's the house abandoned, almost. Not quite. I wish somebody would like make it better, but no, the owner doesn't want to do that because he's a butt wipe. I mean, nobody even lives there. It's just full of junk. And it's a really pretty house. Yeah, I'm talking to your phone. And we're in the alleyway. Basically going around in circles by my house. And you can hear my brother and sister in there. They're in there watching Picture Perfect. Oh no. Oh shiz. And we're back over here in the little patio thing, in grass. It's our shed. Why are there clothes out here? Oh yeah, there's a thing of clothes out here. Why are they strung out everywhere? Oh god. I hope a homeless person didn't do that. That would suck. There used to be a house right there, but it burnt down. That's bad. It's sad. Nobody was injured in it though. Okay. I love you guys. I'm gonna play outside now. Okay, bye. I love you, 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 I love you.